Hello, everybody. Welcome to a most amazing session, which was so awaited by all of you. Each one of my BioPoint students was eagerly waiting for this top government and private medical colleges in India, along with their fees. This super amazing session is right now in front of you with a super amazing big bang. Okay. So today we have a lecture on the top government and private medical colleges in India along with their fees from your favorite channel BioPoint. Stream the world of bio. Super excited everybody. Show your love by hitting the thumbs up button. Yes. Yes, everybody. Can we start off with this lecture? Please do watch till the end and comment down in which college you have to study. After the lecture is over, you have to take a clear decision whether you have to study in a government reputed college or you have to study in a self-financing government college or you have to study in a private medical college. Yes, right now, by now itself, so many of you might have fixed a dream. You might have a dream medical college, while some of your friends may be having a profession only, a dream profession only, while you may have a dream medical college also along with you, right? So please make sure those who doesn't have a dream medical college, don't forget to set it today, right now, after this session itself. Right, everybody? So those who are watching the session, don't forget to hit the like button, do share it with your friends, and subscribe the amazing platform for more sessions. The coming Sunday, the next Sunday, you will have super amazing yet another videos related with this medical admissions and others. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Everything, what will be the next sessions and everything will be updated to you soon through the upcoming lectures. So let's get started with a super amazing lecture. Today we are going to discuss about the top important government and private medical colleges along with their fees in India. So let's get started. You may like wondering why this fees is like this. Why is the fees of that college different from this? Why is there a difference of nearly 1 lakh? Why is there a difference of 25 lakh? Why there is a difference of 1 crore between the fees? You'll be amazed to see, okay, the fees of each of the reputed colleges in India. And finally, you have to decide whether you have to study by spending a lot of lakh and crores of money, or you have to spend just few thousands of rupees, or you have to study absolutely free of cost. So today's lecture, you may have certain candidates would be having reservation. Today we will be discussing though the actual fees of the college which you will be getting as per the all India admission. Okay, you will have two types of allotments after your NEET results, two publications of your admissions after your NEET results. One will be an all India base, that is all colleges you can study in any state of your wish. For that, you might have a score above 680. For unreserved category as well, you must have a score above 680, 690. Okay. And by private college, you just have to cross a cutoff, but then also you must have a good score to get an admission, even though you are studying there with a high amount of money. Okay, so you have to decide whether you have to make your parents spend a huge money on you again, or you have to study absolutely freely. There are colleges with zero fees. Imaginary college, absolutely fantastic. Yes, you might have heard about AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, AFMC, Armed Medical College, right? JIPMER, Pondicherry, JIPMER, you might have heard, right? So we are going to discuss about the fees along with their location as well. So first, let's discuss about some of the government medical colleges in India. Look, zero. You might be amazed to see where is that zero. Armed Forces Medical College in Pune, Maharashtra. Absolutely no fees for 5-year MBBS. You are studying in AFMC Pune with absolutely zero fees. I know some of my students have expressed their desire to study in the armed medical colleges. Is it, Abhijit? Yes. So you have to be super amazing to study in this medical colleges. Yes. AFMC Pune with absolutely zero fees. You can study, and it's not like your general school or college, just where you will be spending 2 to 3 years. You have to study 5 years. Yes, 5 years with this fees. Just imagine 5 years absolutely free of cost with books and everything you will get in AFMC Pune with zero. For that, you have to be in a top rank. You must score above 690 marks for your NEET exam. Look, AIIMS New Delhi, All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS New Delhi. Just 6,000 rupees is the fees. Just 6,000 rupees is the fees of All India Institute of Medical Science. One of the top rated colleges of India is the Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. Fees is just 15,000 rupees. Yes. So look at the differences even in the fees itself. For All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, you will be having a fees of just 6,000. For AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College in Pune, Maharashtra, you will be having absolutely free of cost. Maulana Azad Medical College in New Delhi, you will be having a fees of 15,447 rupees per year. Guys, this is annual fees, okay? Fees per year. Till 5 years, you have to multiply it with 5. Yes? Next. One of the very top rated, demanded colleges by most of the students, Puducherry, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research in Pondicherry, that is the JIPMER. Yes, JIPMER Pondicherry, having a fees of 31,765 per year. Fees per year. Okay, so what is the fees of the JIPMER? It is 31,765. Osmania Medical College in Hyderabad, Telangana. Fees is just about 75,000. 75,000 is the fees. Now we are arranged it in the increasing order of the fees. Just look at the tremendous increase one by one. So for you to study in the top rated colleges like AIIMS, Maulana Azad Medical College, AFMC, JIPMER and all, you must score a very high mark. You must be in the top ranks, 1 to 50 rank, definitely AIIMS New Delhi. In between 1 to 75, definitely Armed Medical College, you will get the admission. Yes. Osmania Medical College in Telangana, Hyderabad, 75,000 fees. Institute of Postgraduate and Medical Education in Kolkata, West Bengal, fees 47,000 per year. Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College in New Delhi, 1,98,000, 1 lakh. Look at the tremendous increase in the fees of the government medical college. Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College in New Delhi is having a fees of 1 lakh, nearly equal to 2 lakh, plus the college mess fees, hostel fees, books, everything would come up definitely to a total of 2 lakh rupees. So rounded up nearly to 2 lakh rupees per year. All these are what? These all are government. Just imagine if the government medical college is having a fees of 1 lakh, then what will be the fees in a private medical college? It will be 25, 65, 1 crore nearly. There are many colleges in India having a fees of 1 crore per year. We will check it out. Cross your fingers and let's move forward. So make sure you do hard work for me for the next 1 to 2 years. For next 1 to... Okay, so just for the next, I'll tell you, for the next 2 to 3 months, that is, you have absolutely your 11th as well as your 12th. If you guys are ready to sacrifice your 2 years for the next 2 years, definitely I am guaranteeing you that you would definitely be there in a top rated medical college of India. Yes, if you are ready to sacrifice your next 2 years, that's absolutely 1.5 years, probably just 1.5 years. If you're ready to sacrifice and follow our classes, definitely you will and you can crack this with a high mark. Let's move on anyway. Government Medical College in Chandigarh, fees is 1,37,500. All India Institute of Medical Science, that is AIIMS. AIIMS Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, very good college, 13,000 fees. Look at the fees. Look at the fees, everybody. Right? Look at the fees. Just 13,000 rupees. Sawaiman Medical College in Jaipur, Rajasthan, 2 lakh. Goa Medical College in Goa, that is 5 lakh. Look at the fees different. 2 lakhs. 5 lakhs in Goa Medical College. Yes, AIIMS Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, you have a fees of just 13,000. Yes, Institute of Medical Science, Benares Hindu, that is Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Fees is 1,64,307. 1 lakh rupees. Plus mesh and college fees, everything. That is hostel fees, everything would come up and tally to a total of 2 lakh. Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute, Bangalore, Karnataka. It is the 3,85,935. There are a lot and lots of medical college in one part, that is the Karnataka. In Karnataka state, you will find a lot and lot of medical college, not only government, private, self-financing, a lot of different types of medical colleges are found in Karnataka. Okay. Next, Said GS Medical College in Mumbai. Fees is 6 lakh. BJ Government Medical College in Maharashtra, Pune, 5 lakh. Right now itself, most of you might have a desire in your mind to study in the top rated colleges like AIIMS, AFMC, JIPMER. Yes, because you don't want, you are a simply a humble student, so you don't want to spend. You should be like that. You should not spend or make your parents spend money upon your education again and again. Till you're 12, they have spent a lot of money upon you for your school fees, for your uniform, bag, books, shoes, everything, right? Per year, bags, books, tuition fees, coaching fees, YouTube fees, everything, if you had any subscriptions of any channels or whatever, right? So this is your precious time where you can give everything back to your parents by studying with just 1,000 rupees per year, with zero fees, absolutely, instead of this 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh and all. Yes. Next, BJ Medical College in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, you have the fees of 1,37,000. Madras Medical College in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, fees is just 87,000. I'm telling, most of you may be just thinking like, why this Abhisar is always telling like just 1 lakh, just 5 lakh, just 6 lakh and all. Guys, when it comes to private medical colleges, this just will absolutely be changed. Okay, we will have a large comparison. Okay, I'm not telling that this colleges with the high fees are not bad. They are also, the education is very good, but we have to spend. This is per year fees. Just imagine if you're studying there for 5 years, what should be the ultimate total? Yes, at the particular instant, we would be thinking like, yes, I have to save 1 lakh rupees so that I can get an admission for my child in this college. But think about after 5 years, how much is your parents have to suffer with that if they are taking any educational loans for you to get admission or whatever. Yes. So Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, fees is 1,41,000. King George Medical College in Lucknow, fees is 3,300. 3,300 rupees is the fees in King George Medical Colleges. Yes, Government Medical College and Hospital in Chandigarh, fees is 1,37,000. All India Institute of Medical Science, Rishikesh, 13,718. Simon Medical College in Jaipur, Rajasthan, 2,21,000. Goa Medical College, 5,53,500. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, 6,48,000. Just look at, even though these are the government medical colleges, as I was keeping on repeating, the fees is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, etc. Look at the fees difference with the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in different states. Will definitely be below 20,000 per year, along with below 20,000 per year, along with the hostel, everything. Yes. So guys, up to here was our government medical colleges. I hope you might have taken a firm decision to study in a top rated government medical college in India. Guys, don't think like these only are the medical colleges, government medical colleges. No, I have selected just 20 to 30 government top rated medical colleges in India. Okay, and this is on the basis of the All India admission. Listen very carefully. This is on the basis of All India admission. You will have state quota admission as well. In state quota, you will be having reservations will be there. You will be having merit seat will be there, everything. These are the fees of the merit seat or unreservation. There is no reservation in All India quota. Absolutely merit, pure merit seats. No caste reservation, no professional reservation, nothing is there. Yes. So let's now discuss about the private medical colleges in India. This is an absolutely perfecto college in Tamil Nadu. That's a Christian medical college. You might have heard certain news about it also. Top rated college. CMC Vellore, MBBS 1 lakh, 1.41 lakh rupees per year. St. John's Medical College in Karnataka, 23 lakh, 23.63 lakh. Kasturba Medical College in Manipal, 50.13 lakh per year. Tell me, is there anybody's parents sitting in my class have a fees or have an annual salary of at least 50? No, right? No, right? So you should not just consider this private medical college, but studying in CMC Vellore, even though it is a private medical college, it will be based upon merit seat only. Yeah, there the fees will be just 1.41 lakh as compared to the other private colleges. CMC Vellore will be having a fees absolutely to that of a government medical college itself. Clear? Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, 50.13 lakh. Mrs. Ramaya Medical College in Karnataka, 4.51 lakh. These are all comparatively lower. That's why I use the word just 4 lakh. Look at 50 lakh, 23 lakh per year. Just imagine guys, 50 lakh per year. That is into 5. How much? How much? 250 lakh. That is more than a crore. Right? Studying for 2 years MBBS, you are going to spend 1 crore rupees from your parents. This 50 plus nearly 1 lakh would be the fees, hotel, hostel, everything of this private medical college. So make sure you study in a reputed government college itself. Christian Medical College, Ludhiana, Punjab, 29 lakh. Sri Ramachandra Medical College and Research Institute in Chennai, MBBS, 99 lakh. Just near to 1 crore. Yes, everybody. Yes, everybody. Jamia Hamrad, New Delhi, 34 lakh rupees. 34 lakh rupees. JSS Medical College, Karnataka, 66.23 lakh rupees. Sharda University in UP, 66 lakh. Just imagine studying and spending your parents' money. Yes, now it's the chance. It's the chance. SRM Medical College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Annual fees 1.01 crore. 1.01 crore is the annual fees of SRM Medical College in Chennai. Dr. D.Y. Patel Medical University in Mumbai, Maharashtra, 1.01 crore. Kembigowda Institute of Medical Science, Bangalore, Karnataka, 3.46 lakh. Bharati Vidyapeeth Deemed University, Pune, Maharashtra, 91.22 lakh. In Kerala, we have only one private medical college, one particular private deemed medical college, which is that AIIMS. It's not the All India Institute of Medical Science, it's Amrita Institute of Medical Science, Cochin. Annual fees is 18 lakh rupees. Last year it was 18, maybe this year it will be 20 lakh. 20 lakh per year. Yes. So make sure. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belgium in Karnataka, 49 lakh. Dr. D.Y. Patel Medical College, 99 lakh. Hamrad Institute, 45.2 lakh. Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, Pondicherry, 91 lakh. Yes. SRM University, Tamil Nadu, 30 lakh. Kalinka Institute of Medical Science, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, 54 lakh per year. KSH Medical Academy, Mangalore, Tamil Nadu, 58.3 lakh. Vaidehi Institute of Medical Science with 58.37 lakh. Yes, just imagine. So that is the top rated government and private medical colleges. So again, repeating, your aim should be to study in a reputed college like JIPMER, Maulana Azad Medical College, MAMS, and Armed Force Medical College, AFMC or AIIMS. Never ever you should focus on a private medical college. In focus on CMC Vellore studying, there is absolutely good and perfect. You will be subjected to a lot of cases as well. So do share this video with your friends, and those who are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the like button. Do share it with your friends and subscribe the amazing platform for more updates on biology. Bye-bye. See you in the next class, guys. Bye.